Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can calibrate your max volumetric flow rate with Orca Slicer. The first thing that you want to do is to simply choose your printer. From here select bed type and then you have your filaments right here. From there, let's then navigate through the calibration option, and basically in your case you just have to click on the more option and then you have the max flow rate. Now, if you know more about your machine, you can then put or edit out the properties right here, but the default one will support most printers out there. So in my case, I'll just click on the OK button, wait for this structure to finish, and I'll just click on the OK button right here. And then we have our design. So you can then click on the slice plate option, and basically from here, it will then try to print the specific objects faster and faster. And from there, you will be able to notice where your quality will tend to decline, because as it goes up the layer, it will then be faster right here. So you want to avoid those types of speed, because as you can see on the test right here, it will then decline the print quality. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.